Welcome to our Rencore webinar around Spring Clean your Microsoft 365 tenant, which can be a life-changing magic experience of tidying up your tenant because you learn how to make it more secure and how to save costs, license costs, and also get an inventory about all your workloads, Azure AD, Exchange, OneDrive, Teams, SharePoint, Power Platform, and you're going to learn how to get a governance plan and put or place the user back into the driver's seats of their preferred workload. Also make sure that you're not really using too many external users which are not used anymore. So tidying up licenses, users, workloads, permissions to make the modern workplace safer. And we're going to show you the best practices around governance. See you soon.